In addition to manipulating and optimizing 3D models for use on the web and in AR, NeoSpace Essentials offers the ability to create different types of documentation. With NeoSpace Essentials Manual, you can build up the content by adding in different steps with written information, warnings and tips. And each step can be of an interactive 3D model where the camera angle can be changed and highlighting can be added to draw your viewer's attention to the right part. You can create animations of your models within NeoSpace Essentials Animate, which can help explain how the product works or show how to assemble the model together. Using the animation timeline and the dragging tool, you can manipulate the model's translation and rotation movements and start to build up a library of different animations. These can then be used in the manual to add that extra bit of clarity to the step you are showing. Additional models can be included to help build up your documentation. You can either open another file and then add these into the manual, or you can duplicate the existing scene. Using the move options, you can then manipulate your model into the position that you want to present. Simply click on the part that you want to move and using the 3D dragger that appears, either rotate or translate that part into the position that you want. There is also the option to add annotations to the different elements of your models, allowing you to include additional information or descriptions of that part. Your users will then be able to interact with these by simply clicking on them to access those extra notes. To add these, simply click on the Add Annotation button and then select the part you want to attach it to. If needed, these annotations can be moved if the location isn't quite right. When you add a new step to the manual, it will always go to the bottom of the list. However, the order can be easily manipulated and each step can be renamed. You can also set the camera position for each step by clicking on the Set Camera from View. A front page could also be customised to display a banner, an overview of the manual plus a description if needed. When all the content has been added, the whole manual can be previewed. This can either be viewed how it would be on a desktop, or you can change the settings to view it on a tablet or a phone. So you'll be able to see how the data is presented to your users on these various types of devices. Once you are happy, you can then optimize the whole file to reduce the overall size. This can then be shared or embedded onto your website.